Hello, what's going on, guys? My name is Loytech and welcome back to episode 3 of Omnifactory series. In the last episode, where's my phone? We produced this thing that produces water, has 480 millibuckets. That's probably why you can't take a water bucket out of it, because it's less than one bucket. And we also made some redstone alloys and stuff. Got some solidified experience. This is what you get from mobs. You can just right click to get experience. And as I promised, we're going to make some steam dynamos now. We need 3 of them. So first I'm going to make 6 of the wrought iron gears. So for 6 I need 4 for 2. 4 for 1. So I need wait a minute. My math is off. I need 4 for 1, I need 8 for 2, and I need 8 plates for 2. 8 times 3 is 24, 48. God. 48. Okay, 48, and now a hammer. Bap. 24. And now I have to iron file this. Oh, my file broke. That's not good. I'm gonna have to make another one. And I need a screwdriver. Luckily I haven't used it much. 6. Yes, I have 6 gears now. Okay, next thing is a redstone transmission coil. I need 3 of these, and I have already made the rods. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And redstone around. And now I need 6 of the another type of coils for this thing. 6 redstone conductance coils. So a conductance coil is created like this. The same but in reverse order, in tilted, and that. And for where's my red alloy plates, I need 5 of them like this and like this, and I make an excitation coil. And now to put it all together, we need 3 iron furnaces, which you probably know how to make because I made them in my video, and this. Get 3 steam dynamos, and I will explain why I made 3 and not just 1 in a second. Why do I need... Okay, I'll make this later, but first I'm going to take my... Why is my pickaxe always missing? I never have it on me. There it is. Oh, I have to go to bed. I'm gonna think of where I'm going to put all the machines for now. And I can put them in this building, actually. Or I can just put them here. I think I'm gonna put them here. Just because it's in the same building and it's near. And later on, maybe I'm gonna extend it outside. We'll see about that later. But now we have 3 steam dynamos. You can place 3 of them like this. And then if you have an infinite water source, it fills up this with water. And if I just put fuel inside, it will only produce energy now. But we don't want that. We want this one to produce steam, and then fill these 2 with the steam from this one. It will produce... when we do that, it will produce more energy. But for that we need augments. Augments are basically additions that you can modify your generators, and we need a boiler conversion. So we need the glass, bucket, copper plate, iron gear. Okay, so we need 4 coppers. We need 8 plus 4 is 12 iron. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this, like this. Oh yeah. My file is broken now. Gonna make another one. I have too much stuff in my inventory. File, and now I need 8 more of... Wait, now I need 4 more iron. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna pick that up later. Wait. 1, 2. Hammer. like this, file, and then I think it's a wrench that has to be in the middle. Oh, hammer apparently, because the wrench isn't used. It doesn't have durability. I mean, it's not. Yeah. Wait. No, a screwdriver goes in the middle. So we have a gear for the boiler I think it's the boiler conversion that we're doing now. Yep. And we need a bucket, 2 copper plates, and glass. So we can use. Wait, does it accept any glass? Accepts any block glass hardened. So fused quartz. Gonna click on this until a good recipe comes up. Fused quartz. Oh, okay, we can't make fused quartz. What about hardened glass? Hardened, let's say tin glass. Wait. So for all of these we need an alloy smelter. Wait, that's not good. Let me see again. Just quartz. Accepts any block glass hardened. So we need obsidian dust and lead dust to make hardened glass. I didn't think this through. Okay, this is possible here. I guess for now we're only going to have to use 1 for energy, and when we get an alloy smelter I'm going to upgrade it with these 2. But it's good that we have these 2. Now I'm just gonna throw this random stuff into here. For example, a bow. I don't know why I have a bow on me. Probably because killing skeletons. Now what we need to do for energy is a low voltage CEF. I don't know what CEF stands for. This thing. It converts FE to GTU EU, but first we need a refined, or we're gonna make a primitive circuit. And actually a primitive circuit has its own quests right here. But we first need to make components. So resistors are very simple, like this. We're gonna get paper. I'm just gonna plant some of. I think I got some sugarcane somewhere. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna plant some sugarcane here. And the rest of the sugarcane I'm gonna use for paper. We need 1 circuit, and then I think we can make a low voltage CEF. Yes. We need. Where's my. I can just put this here. Just like that. And let's wait for it to grow. Okay. Now we need a resistor. So 1 coal dust. I need 2 iron wires. We need an iron mill. Oh, not an iron mill, a wire mill, excuse me. So I can make it like this. And then simply like wire cutter like this. Okay. And now paper. Crushed coal. And this pretty much sums up how a resistor works. So we have 2 resistors. I need to make 2 vacuum tubes, so I need glass tubes first. So I need 6 glass. Do I have 6 sand? I have 9, nice. Gonna split it up. And when this is done, nice, we can make glass panes. As you can see, the crafting recipe in the table is changing, and we can make glass tubes from those glass panes. Now we need copper wires and more paper. So I'm gonna make copper wires. Yeah, I have a lot of copper. We need 6 copper wires like this, and then we make it into plates, and then we cut it into wires. And it's made like paper. I need more paper. This should do the trick. Yep, glass tubes. And the last component we need is a coated circuit board, which I already made. I don't think I made it in video. It's very simple to create. It's just like this, rubber, melting a slime ball. Okay, so the next step is a circuit board. And I have already everything to create a circuit board. But I haven't created it yet, so I'm gonna create it now. So to create a circuit board, wait, let me go to this and primitive circuit. We need a coated circuit board, 2 vacuum tubes, a wrought iron plate, 2 resistors, and 3 red alloy cables. So I believe I'm low on this, and I don't have any more iron. Oh, okay. Actually, I only need 2. That's good. We have iron. A little bit, but we have it. And what I need to create now is that coated circuit board. Just create some slabs. Like this. Now hopefully this is smelted. Yep. I'm gonna need more iron. But a circuit board is created. Wait. Okay, I already have everything on me, I didn't notice. There we go, primitive circuit. And now that we have a primitive circuit, we can make a low voltage CEF. For that, we need more iron and more iron. So what do we need? A conductive. Yeah, we need a lot of iron, so I'm gonna just go for my mining now, and I'm gonna prepare all the resources for this and then make it when I'm gonna record. I'm gonna be back when I get iron. Okay, I know this 12 minutes of past footage was boring, but now I'm going to make the low voltage CEF. I have gathered the materials, and probably now in this episode or in between episodes I'm going to make a machine so we can start doing together. Where's my wrench? We can start doing the the stuff together. So this is how we make. We need a hull. So we make a casing first by surrounding a wrench with 8 wrought iron plates, and then we use it like this to make a hull. Now we surround it by wires, 4 conduits, a chest for some reason. Have to make a chest. Oh. Interesting, it turns. Have to make a chest. Didn't know that it turns as you move. Okay, now a chest. Like this. Put this in the middle, like this. And now, the last thing we need is the circuit that we made earlier. Where is it? Oh, it's here. This is the first tier 1 circuit. Low voltage CF. Now we have completed this. Claim 1 ohm nickel. And now I could either make batteries. So if I press U, I can see I can make cadmium batteries. This one holds 120 EU, 20k AU. This one holds 80. And I think, yeah, cadmium is actually the best. How do you get cadmium though? Okay, so now that we have the low voltage CEF, we can a primer on power. Okay, so unlike RF power, which is safe to transport in any conduit, EU power requires caution. The key is to always match or exceed the voltage and amperage of your power source with your cables and machines. So this basically means that you have to have at least, if you have, for example, a machine that requires 20 volts, you have to have a cable that can hold at least 20 volts. Never hook up your CEF to a cable that has fewer amps than your CEF or battery buffer generates. For example, you must use a 4x cable for a 4x CF and a 16x cable for a filled 16-slot battery buffer. Cables with an insufficient amperage rating will burn and be destroyed. Similarly, your cable must match and exceed the voltage of your machines, or they will burn and be destroyed. So now that we have caution, we have read the caution. We don't need that. Putting it all together. Now that you have everything you need to power your machines, it's time to put it all together. Okay, so I'm gonna put it all together now, and then we can do the things later in the next episode with the actual machines. So these two conduits are conductive iron energy conduits. So the energy always comes from above. We can hook it up like this, and we can just put that extract and insert. If I place these 4 cables like this, oh yeah, I need a pickaxe. So if you saw that, pickaxe is up here. If you saw this little dot is the actual output. So I need to put it like this for it to connect. And now I can put batteries in here, but if I put anything that burns in there, for example a piece of coal, it will generate power, 40 RFs per tick, maximum power, and restored 0, because it all goes to storing here. Now it should be storing, yep. So we have 4.1 kilo RF, and we can convert that to EU, and we're using cables and not wires, because wires can kill you when you touch them. Let's check out the guidebook first. So we can basically ignore all of this for later and move on to the beginning. The beginning is filled with the machines for the GregTech, but the first one is a basic wire mill. Basically this creates 2 wires from 1 ingot instead of 1 wire from 2 ingots, which is a 4 times upgrade. And for that we need an electric motor and a bunch of other stuff, which I will not bore you with and just make off camera. And then when we make it, I'm going to show you how it works, how to connect everything up, and hopefully as soon as possible we are going to make an automatic primitive circuit design or farm, I guess. Maybe I'm going to make some more machines, for example alloy smelter and low voltage mixer, because I want to make this. Okay, so we need to requires alloy smelter, so we have to go from here, up here, down here, and to the blast furnace fan. The blast furnace is the furnace which can create aluminum ingots, that's why they're good. This is the last thing in here. Basically this is just the machines. This is just a lot of the machines. I'm going to try and create some of them. Basically this thing turns ingots into dusts. This thing compresses not 2 ingots into 1 plate, but 1 ingot into 1 plate, which is very good. This machine basically is an alloy smelter. It smelts 2 ingots into 1 alloy. Fluid solidifier, I don't really know what the fluid solidifier does. And for some of these machines, even I don't know what they do, because I haven't played that far into the game. So that's what we're going to do in the next episode. We're going to make some machines and tinker with machines. So hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more of Omnifactory, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell.